And I'm making this video in order to explain the details of how the EMS reporting VBA tool was prepared. Our group is Stallions, and so this is our tool. In order to start the process, we click the first icon, the triangle on the left hand side, which is the orange icon. If I click it, it will ask for my name, so I'll be entering my name. So it will pop up a greeting which says hello Chandra, and then the next is it will ask for the nearest reporting number, so I can enter any random number which will help me in the future to track this report. So the next is the person who will be reporting this near miss and the near miss details. So here I can enter any details, whatever happened in the near miss. So I'll be writing sleep and drape, and I'll be writing the time that it happened at 10 a.m. on let's say 10th May, 10 a.m. on 10th May. Alright. So you can see on the background the everything gets updated. So name of the process safety engineer, let me say it's me. I've written it over here, and the manager of the unit is me. So I'm entering all of these details inside this. Employees and workers, let's say John was the worker who was there when the near miss occurred. So as you can see, after entering all of these details, everything is available on the screen, so you can see it over here. And the next thing which I have to do is I need to save this report. So I have a button over here, it says click to save. So once it gets saved, it says yeah, there's a data over here, do you want to replace it? Yes, I say yes. So the data has been saved, a message appears, and as you can see, all of the data are stored in this format. So it's having each and everything that I have saved over here. So anytime I want, I can just go over there, and every time I click on save, it creates a new sheet and it's gonna save on the new sheet right over here. And the trend chart shows the number of near misses that were reported during all of the months. The number of reports that were filed is on the x-axis, while the months is on the y-axis. So this shows how many number of near miss were reported on a particular month. So we can see on the month of June the maximum number of near miss were reported. So here's the software. Let me go ahead and tell you what type of programming skills um, we had to use in this. Um, Before that, let me also show you that the date on which it was reported. We also have icon where we can select date. Let's say it was 23. So when I click done, the date is over here, and the time is the current time. I'm recording this video at 1:56, so this is the current time. So we don't have to enter the time again and again. And let's go and go to the Visual Basic, and let's see what were the codes that we had to add over here. So how many modules I prepared? There were 3 modules. Module 1 was for the Excel file, and this one was a save report module. uh, it's a module which have it's a macro which I have saved in this button. So when I click this button, I will be actually be running this module, save report module, and when I click the trend report, the trend button, I'll be actually be running the trend check module. And the forms is the date picker form. So the date form is actually this form which I have prepared it over here. So these are the 3 forms. Let's briefly go through each and every module. Let's go to module 1. So so this is the save report module. This is the trend chart module. Save report module, let's go through it. So when I save a module, it's gonna activate sheet 1, and it's gonna copy each and every data from it, and then it's gonna activate sheet 2, and then there's an if statement which says if that sheet is empty, then paste it to that module, to that sheet, otherwise, and if it's true, then it go to ending. If it's not true, then go to sheet 3, otherwise go to sheet 4, and then paste your model. If that is also not true, then it's gonna go to the sheet 5, whichever is empty is gonna paste to that sheet. Alright, so we can see that it goes to sheet 6. I can add up to as many sheets I want, but over here for simplicity I just added 6 sheets. So that is the case, I can add as many as sheets as I require. So this is the thing, and let me go ahead and see quickly the trend chart. So it's gonna pop up and ask for all the near miss reported during this month, and then it's simply gonna plot the graph. And then um, so this is a simple module, and we can like modify it to get all the future database, um, and so we can see in every sheet there is a saved file. We can refer anytime we want, and then we have a trend sheet to see how many number of near miss were reported during the time.